Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download and run bot for SplinterLands for free. SplinterLands is an amazing and modern game, where you can collect, trade, and also earn real money by playing. This bot is working perfectly, therefore, you can safely download this bot. First you have to follow the link in the description and download the file. While I am installing the program, you can like and subscribe to the channel. You must disable the antivirus, in order to avoid problems with the installation. Secondly, you have to open the folder and enter the password. You can find the password in the description. Third, you have to pull the program to the desktop and run it. That is it for me. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.